So this one's a worst come to worst scenario when you go to the tire shop and fix your tire. So one day there's a hole. So and after that the tire shop person that they tell you that this one is already loose thread. So the problem is this stud. You can still use the 5 nuts there in a road, but you need to put always 6, so that one is not safe. So don't be alarmed. So all you need to do is you can still put it in, bite a little bit force and put some mark after that. So this is the one we're trying to do. So make sure put a little bit grease there or oil, pretty much it. And I'm gonna add a little bit so that easy to, even though there's a little bit broke there, so it's not even no more. You can see the nut still look okay, but the problem is the thread. So you can still put this one, use it to complete the 6 nuts to your wheel. So this one is the Toyota 2015 Corolla. So all you need to do, get a socket and put it little by little until you sure it here on that rim. And let's do it right now. This one is supposed to be turned freely before they use their power tools. So dab a little bit oil again so that it twists freely. And after that, use your 21 socket that it fits here, and then turn it little by little until you get the end there. So I can feel it's soft. So to avoid spend money to fix that one stud only, still get in. And when you feel snug, stop it. So it's not safe to not to put everything. So I need to have 6 nuts. Almost there. And put some mark there. Any marker you have that. Anytime you have fix your tire, you need to use the same nuts. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna mark that later. And when you go to the tire shop, you need to check this one is everything. If it is tight, do manually. So that one is not accurate, the one that they use it for. So this one is make sure it's tight. So now it's all tight. I need to put some mark there so that next time you use it, you use the same nuts that one that they have a broken thread or cross thread, they call it cross thread. To make sure, use this heater bar to make sure it's tight. Now it's pretty tight now, and put some mark after that. Remove it, and now I'm just gonna put this cuticle and put some mark there so that every time you have some problem, this is the nuts you're gonna use for a reminder. So that way, that's it. So easy fix. So do that too if you want. So it's up to you. If your 5-bolt nut stud bolt is still okay, so that's the remedy. Now it sits there now that they hold now 6 or 5 nuts instead of 4. Make it safe, and I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. So it's done. Easy fix. Peace. Stay healthy. Thanks. Bye.